AI isn't tomorrow's tech. It's shaking up everything right now. Boston Dynamics just put its robot dog on the factory floor. AI call centers are replacing medical receptionists. A Microsoft-backed system outforecasts hurricane experts without crunching the physics. And Klarna's AI cut 700 jobs, then asked some of them back to boost service. We'll break down these stories and dive into even more AI updates. So, let's jump in. First up, Boston Dynamics just leveled up its four-legged inspection bot, Spot, with a powerful new AI platform called Orbit. Imagine sending Spot on a routine facility walkthrough and, not only does it snap pictures, it instantly turns them into clear, actionable insights. Orbit flags safety hazards, missing bolts, or early signs of wear and tear, giving you yes-no answers, precise readings, even descriptive notes on what it finds. But that's just the start. Orbit's new Site View feature stitches together Spot's 360-degree photos into a fully searchable digital twin of your plant or warehouse. Now you can remotely monitor conditions, compare today's scan to last month's, and spot any unexpected changes. No boots on the ground required. Everything feeds into a centralized dashboard, so you get a unified view of every inspection across every location, complete with customizable user permissions and automated face blurring to keep privacy issues in check. As Boston Dynamics puts it, Spot acts as your eyes and ears, automating inspections, capturing repeatable data, and logging everything digitally. Orbit is where it all comes together. This update continues Boston Dynamics' push into practical, enterprise-grade robotics, right on the heels of its new Atlas humanoid collaborations with NVIDIA, LG, and the Robotics and AI Institute. Stick around, because these kinds of real-world AI advances are only getting wilder. Imagine you call your doctor's office and instead of a tired night shift worker, you're chatting with an AI that books your appointment, refills your prescription, even triages urgent symptoms. That future is arriving fast. In the Philippines, 200,000 call center agents already spend their nights helping Americans manage diabetes devices or calm elderly patients in crisis. And they're burning out under micromanagement and 12-minute call limits. Now, startups like ZocDoc and Luma Health are rolling out voice-driven bots that schedule 70% of visits without a human touch. Insurers such as Scan Health Plan worry that patient trust suffers. Only real people pick up on subtle cues, who needs care right now, and translate them back to physicians. Yet businesses see a lifeline. Turnover rates hover at 30 to 50%, and AI can work around the clock. Even Kaiser Permanente staff fought to pause an AI active listening tool, fearing algorithms can't replace empathy. Klarna shocked everyone when it replaced 700 customer service jobs with AI. But now, CEO Sebastian Siemiatkowski admits the move backfired. After the company's valuation plunged from $45.6 billion in 2021 to $6.7 billion today, Siemiatkowski conceded that cutting people in favor of chatbots led to lower quality support. Now, he's reversing course with a pilot program hiring live agents in an Uber-style remote setup, designed to eventually replace the few thousand outsourced reps Klarna still uses. It's critical that you're clear to your customer there will always be a human if you want, he said. While AI will still power behind-the-scenes efficiency, Klarna is doubling down on human interaction to rebuild trust and service quality, proof that sometimes tech alone isn't enough. Imagine your AI assistant seeing the world through your eyes and helping you hands-free. No more digging for your phone. That's exactly what Google's new Android XR platform does, powered by Gemini. From infinite screen headsets like Samsung's upcoming Project Muhan to sleek glasses, Android XR runs on devices with cameras, mics, speakers, and even optional in-lens displays. Say, what's a good spot nearby for ramen? And get instant details, translate live conversations with on-glass subtitles, send messages, make appointments, navigate with heads-up directions, or snap photos, all without lifting a finger. Behind the scenes, Qualcomm and Samsung hardware teams ensure smooth performance, while partners like Gentle Monster and Warby Parker are designing frames you'll actually want to wear. Developers get access later this year to build apps that tap into your context. So, your assistant knows what you see, hears what you say, and remembers what matters. Imagine an AI that can predict hurricanes more accurately than the experts, and do it in minutes, not months. Enter Aurora, a foundation model from Microsoft and UPenn, trained on over 1 million hours of historical weather data. Unlike traditional systems built on physics equations, Aurora learns patterns directly from observations using advanced neural networks. In 2023, it nailed every hurricane track better than 7 leading forecasting centers. And on 10-day global forecasts, it beat state-of-the-art numerical models 92% of the time. It was pre-trained in weeks, not years, and runs cheaper and faster. Beyond storms, Aurora could be fine-tuned for air quality, ocean currents, wildfires, crop yields, you name it. True game changer for Earth system predictions. Thanks for sticking around. Drop your thoughts below. Hit like if you learned something new, and subscribe so you don't miss our next AI deep dive. See you next time.